Climate change is no longer just an environmental issue. As weather becomes more extreme, the costs borne by the country also grow. Take floods, for example. In 2025 alone, flood-related losses reached 636.9 million ringgit nationwide, covering damages to homes, infrastructure, public assets, agriculture, vehicles, and business premises. The World Bank has also estimated that Malaysia's GDP could shrink by up to 8.3% by 2050 if we fail to adapt to climate change. From clean energy and low-carbon technologies to waste management, forest restoration, and the construction of climate-resilient infrastructure, all these efforts require substantial investment. And this is where the National Carbon Market Policy comes into play. NCMP was launched on April 21st by Natural Resources and Environmental Sustainability Minister Arthur Joseph Kurup. In simple terms, the policy provides a framework for developing a more transparent and high-integrity carbon market, including the generation, verification, and trading of carbon credits. Essentially, one carbon credit represents 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide equivalent that has been reduced, avoided, or removed. But how do carbon credits work? For example, a company can generate carbon credits by funding a project such as solar energy that reduces emissions. Once verified, the credits can be sold to companies seeking to offset emissions they cannot yet avoid. These transactions take place in the carbon market. According to Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia Environmental Economics lecturer Nurlida Hanim Saleh, carbon or greenhouse gases can be produced by activities such as burning fossil fuels, transportation, agriculture, and landfills.
Gas rumah kaca ni berkeupayaan memerangkap sebahagian haba daripada bumi. So, bumi kita ni memang akan melepaskan haba dan sebagainya. Tapi bila gas rumah kaca itu terlalu tebal, patutnya dia ada. Tak bolehlah langsung tiada sebab dia akan mengawal keadaan panas di atmosfera. Tetapi kalau gas rumah kaca ini terlalu banyak, dia akan menyebabkan pemanasan tu bertambah panas daripada yang sepatutnya.
But NCMP is not just about buying and selling carbon credits. University Sultan Zainal Abidin Faculty of Applied Social Sciences Dean Khairul Amri Kamarudin said the policy could serve as a climate financing mechanism to attract investments into low-carbon projects.
Saya melihat karbon sebagai satu bentuk climate financing machine lah, di mana ia boleh membantu menjadikan projek dalam kita yang lebih menarik dari sudut ekonomi dan juga pelaburan. Sebab kadang-kadang kita tak ada modal untuk membuat projek-projek untuk menyelesaikan climate change ni. Jadi ini salah satu kaedah yang baguslah.
However, Khairul stressed that the carbon market must not become an excuse for companies to continue polluting and simply buy credits to offset their emissions.
So, carbon ni sebenarnya dia kena reduce dulu. Reduce first, offset what cannot be avoid, barulah melalui carbon credit ni. Which is setiap industri dia kena cuba menggunakan teknologi yang menggunakan renewable energy, contohnya solar dan sebagainya yang mengeluarkan karbon.
According to NRES, Malaysia has the potential to reduce up to 56 million tons of carbon dioxide equivalent by 2030, with about 70% achievable through low-cost measures such as energy efficiency. The ministry said the NCMP would also lay the foundation for future carbon pricing instruments, such as an emissions trading scheme and carbon tax. It also supports Malaysia's participation in international carbon markets under Article 6 of the Paris Agreement. Amardeep Gill, FMT.